Morning children, Saikat sir here. So in the previous two videos we have already discussed about the chapter leaf and everything inside it. In today's video I'll basically be discussing about the question and answers related to the chapter leaf. Okay, the question and answers have been typed out and given in your video. You can just pause the video and copy it down in your notebook. The way in which the question answers need to be written, all the protocols which are to be followed have already been discussed in the previous two videos. If you're still having doubt, you can just go back to those videos and go through them again. Okay. So the first question is the two types of root system found in plants and the differentiation between them. Two types of root systems are taproot and fibrous root. The difference are as given over here. Next question is state the function of the root system in plants, where you will be writing about all the functions which the root system does for the plant and its importance. Third question is describe briefly about the shoot system. So you'll be writing about the shoot system and all the different parts which comprise of the shoot system. Next is define the following. You have to write about node, internode, axil, axillary bud and apical bud. The definitions have been given below. Point A is node, point B is internode, point C is axil, point D is axillary bud and point E is apical bud. Okay. Next is state the functions of a leaf. You'll be writing the functions of a leaf given here. Next is write briefly about the structure of a leaf. So you'll be writing about the structure of a leaf, that is petiole, lamina and midrib, already given over here. Next question is name the two basic types of leaves found in plants. Two basic types of leaves are simple and compound leaves. You'll be writing about it. Next is phyllotaxy, already discussed before, that phyllotaxy is the arrangement of leaves. So you'll be writing accordingly. The types of phyllotaxy has already been given: alternate, opposite and fold. Next is venation, and what exactly is venation, you'll be writing about it. The two types of venation, you'll be writing about it too. Next you have to define the following, that is photosynthesis, transpiration and autotrophic nutrition. The definition is given over here: photosynthesis, transpiration and autotrophic nutrition. Next question is state the significance of photosynthesis as given over here. They have the following significance, that is also importance. So you basically are going to write about the importance of photosynthesis. Okay. Next question is state the significance of transpiration. So you'll be writing about the importance, that is the significance of transpiration. So this will be your last question. With this we come to the end of the video, and in the next video we will be discussing the next chapter. Okay. Till then, bye bye.